Do you know that in India there are more than 135 million obese people? Our country, in fact, is facing a double problem of malnutrition, both under and overnutrition. Worldwide, about 33% of individuals above 18 years they are either overweight or obese. And do you know that since 1975, the number of obese individuals worldwide has tripled. In fact, if we talk about obesity in children, the obesity has become 4 to 5 times as it was there in 1975. What is obesity? Why should we worry about obesity? What causes obesity? How do we measure obesity? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Master Your Health. So today I'll be answering all these questions about what is obesity, what causes obesity, how do we measure obesity. So before answering these questions, thank you very much for your encouraging comments and for constantly watching my videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So going back to our questions, what is obesity? Obesity is a condition where there is excess fat accumulation in your body, and this fat actually poses some risks to your health. How do we diagnose obesity? Obesity is diagnosed by measuring height and weight. So we calculate your body mass index. Body mass index means we take your weight in kilograms and divide it with the height in meters square. If your BMI is less than 18.5 kg per meter square, means you are underweight. If your BMI is between 18.5 to 22.9 kg per meter square, means you are normal weight. If your BMI is between 23 to 24.9 kg per meter square, that means you are overweight. And if your BMI is more than 25 kg per meter square, means you are obese. So what causes obesity? The most common cause of obesity is nutritional obesity or exogenous obesity. Means there is an imbalance in the number of calories that we take and in the number of calories that we spend. So the imbalance between your diet and exercise causes obesity. This is the most common reason of obesity. In fact, even in people with genetic obesity, this nutritional cause is also plays an important role. The second cause of obesity can be endocrine diseases. That means there are some hormonal diseases which are associated with obesity. For example, hypothyroidism, Cushing syndrome, acromegaly, polycystic ovary syndrome. So if you are suffering from obesity, it is very important to see your doctor and get yourself tested for these diseases. Third important cause of obesity is genetic. So there are some genes which can cause obesity. These genes can either be monogenic or polygenic. Monogenic obesity means there is a single gene which is responsible for obesity. This type of obesity generally occur in very small children. Most common we see is polygenic obesity, means there are a number of genes which have very small contribution and then ultimately combined they can cause obesity. But remember, even in genetic cases, the people will not become obese till they get the obesogenic environment. Obesogenic environment means the imbalance in your diet and exercise. And the fourth important cause of obesity can be some drugs. So drugs like steroids, some antipsychotic agents, the antidepressive agents are the most common reason of weight gain. And fifth important reason of obesity can be some psychiatric illnesses. For example, depression as such can lead on to obesity. Some people during depression they tend to take a number of calories. Their intake of calories may be more. They may be indulging in binge eating, which can result in obesity. So if you're suffering from obesity, it is very important to see your doctor and get yourself tested for these diseases. So what are the consequences of obesity? Why should we be worried about obesity? Obesity is associated with a number of health problems. It has got a large impact on our health. The most important consequence of obesity is cardiovascular disease, that is both heart disease, including coronary artery disease or heart attack, and stroke. These two are the most common cause of death worldwide. Another important consequence of obesity is development of type 2 diabetes, which is again a very common disease. It's the fastest growing disease of 21st century. So as I already discussed in my video, risk factors of type 2 diabetes, obesity is a very important risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes even in children. Other consequences of obesity can be high cholesterol, high blood pressure, or hypertension. Then there are certain cancers which are associated with obesity. For example, endometrial cancer, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, liver cancer, gallbladder cancer, prostate cancer. So there are some cancers which may be associated with obesity. Other than these, other diseases like gallbladder stone in females, polycystic ovary syndrome, menstrual irregularities, infertility, these are commonly associated with obesity. Other than this, pregnant women who are obese, they are more likely to get complications during pregnancy. A very important consequence of obesity is musculoskeletal disorders, most commonly osteoarthritis of the knee. So it is a very disabling condition of the joint. It is mainly a degenerative kind of a disease where which is actually the effect of the age, but obese individuals, they tend to get it at a little earlier age. So if you're obese, you should see your doctor to find out if you have any cause of obesity, and also to get some tests to find out if obesity has affected your health. So in my next video, I'll be discussing about prevention and treatment of obesity. Till then, take good care of your health.